The Aston Martin V8 Vantage was hailed as Britain's first supercar for its 170 mph top speed when introduced. Its engine was shared with the Lagonda, but it used high-performance camshafts, increased compression ratio, larger inlet valves, and bigger carburetors, mounted on new manifolds for increased output. Straight-line performance was the best of its day. When Motor Magazine tested the V8 Vantage V580, it produced an incredible 0-60 time of 5.2 seconds, which was quicker than the Ferrari Daytona, its main competitor at the time. One of the most noticeable features was the closed-off hood bulge, rather than the open-top scoop found in an old V8. The grille area was also closed off, with twin driving lights inserted, and a spoiler added to the boot lid. The 580 Vantage was more of a mechanical update, which included 16-inch wheels, and the more powerful V8 from the limited edition V8 Zagato. Our car was commissioned in 1984, and supplied by Aston Martin agents Chapman Spooner Limited, on the 1st of January 1995. On Hexagon Classic's recent acquisition, we carried out a bare metal repaint in Rolls-Royce Royal Blue, upgraded the alloy wheels to Royal specification, and carried out a comprehensive service by an official Aston Martin Heritage Service agent. Our total preparation costs were approximately £30,000. Accompanying the car is a comprehensive chassis file, including the original and complete handbook pack, the service voucher booklet, MOTs dating back to 1988, a complete service history from new, and the mileage of 14,423 is corroborated by the accompanying documentation. This is without doubt a rare opportunity to acquire the highly desirable Vantage 580 manual coupe, which is fast becoming rare and highly collectible.